Okay guys, so this is what my ugly sweater is starting to look like. I let it dry. So I'm not going to add, I don't know, not add too much stuff to it. I have this sticker. I forget where I want to put it. Oh, it says Happy Holidays. I'm trying to decide. I want to add this ugly little. That's going to be too gaudy. I don't know. Don't know what else I have. I have very much. I thought I had cotton balls I was going to put to make it like kind of furry right there, but I don't know what I did with them. I keep moving everything and then I can't find it, and then when I want to use it I can't. My room is just not big enough for all my stuff plus the bed. So maybe I'll add some bling or something. Sorry guys. Just don't know what to do with this stuff. I've had this. I guess I could. Oh, you can't cut it apart. Oh. I just don't know. My first time doing this, so. That's all the stuff I gotta start using up. So I can get more stuff. Whoa. I got glitter everywhere. Crazy. You can come in, dear. I just did one. Oh, and I cut my hand. Oh, God. Damn it. Sorry. Oh, that really hurt. I broke it. Broke the skin on my finger. Oh my God, that hurts. Yeah, it's just bleeding. little bit. Oh, just a little bit. Okay. Sorry. Put the little blinger on the... That really hurt. Cutting small things with big scissors. Okay. Okay. Oh, that hurt. I got some red ribbon. Make like a bow, maybe. Don't cut your hand. I'm not good at this. Let's see. Okay. Give me a second, guys. This is weird ribbon stuff I never used. It's very slippery. And I'm left-handed, so nothing wants to... Come on. Really? Oh my goodness. Now I'm all grumpy because I cut my hand. That bow is way bigger than this one. Okay, well, it's not going to be even at all, but I'm not going to sit here and mess with this. Okay, I'm going to glue this down without hurting myself again. See if it stays. It's not the best bow, but it's not supposed to be cute. And hopefully that will stay down. Not give me any problems. So there's my first ugly sweater. So I hope you guys, will join me in making one. And remember, it doesn't have to be pretty. Just try to use up what you have. If I don't have hardly any holiday stuff, so I'm just trying to use up what stuff that I think would be cute. And I could even draw like a penguin or something. I don't know. I don't want it to be cutesy. So there it is. Okay, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great night. Bye, guys.